Okay, hey everyone. I was getting tired of spending. What was I spending? About close to $9 for a can of air. And this was $50, but it's gone up in price by $4. But anyway, you figure that everybody's raving. This is supposed to blow out 75 miles per hour. And if it does, it's got a 1 year warranty. And plus you got the 30 days Amazon warranty. Got a bash in it right here. I hope it's not going to do any damage or did any damage. Smells new, looks new. It's got like 6 different nozzles and it's got like a 5-star rating. So with a 5-star rating, there's bigger ones out there, but someone said, it doesn't matter how big they are, it's how powerful they are. Comes with a bag here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nozzles like it says. They come in this nice little Ziploc bag. I still haven't figured out how come the idiots who produce cereal have not ever put a Ziploc bag inside the cereal box. It would help it stay fresher, but I guess that's why I don't work making cereal. I mean, it really did. It would make sense. Okay, and there is your 6 nozzles. Oops. And I'm losing most of it. And it comes with 3 brushes, which I needed, and I'll tell you why. I have the humidifier going in here. For my plants. And no matter what, you get white dust. And it's white powder fine, like baby powder. Okay, and it has your instructions. Never place power cord or device in water. Yeah, I was watching Columbo the other night, and this guy threw a hair dryer in water. And Columbo noticed that the dead guy by the time he got there, I think the dead guy's hair was dry or something. And of course that bug Columbo. I like watching that. And it has a rewashable filter in it. And this has a 3 and a 6. This is model number 6. So let's put this nozzle on. Okay, we're going to test it. Okay. I believe it. It's got some air pressure. And someone else brought up the point when I was reading the reviews on this that they liked it better than they do the can air because can air has moisture in it. And this is strictly dry. What it does is it's taking the air, the ambient air, I guess you would call it, and I mean, for a better word, lack of a word for it, the ambient air these nozzles are a little bit tight because they're new. Okay, so you figured that the last time I bought air, it was something like $60-something for it was eight cans, 8 to 10 cans, and that was on sale when a company was going out of business up here in where I live. So anyway, I figured out just a while ago, and I already ordered 2 cans of air, so I'm kind of stuck with them. Maybe I can return it and say not needed. I don't know. But this got more pressure than canned air. I can tell you that already. And no wonder people like it. And I needed a brush like this. And like this. Because try to get under your well, I had to blow all that white powder out of my computer. I was surprised because I've got a push pull going here with my fans, and they were sucking in and then blowing out the other one, but that white powder just coated everything, and I'm not joking, it really did. And so underneath my video card, I had about that much, maybe that much room, and toothbrush would not fit under there. This would be perfect. But anyway, you figure that after I used canned air all the time, a lot, for the back of my TVs to blow out all the dust and everything else, even in the bedroom. I mean, this place, we're in Arizona, so it's dusty. No matter what you do, it's going to be dusty. You can dust everywhere and the next day it's going to have dust. That's just Arizona, no matter what you do. And I was surprised. I went out and the grill on the dashboard of my car started deteriorating and just breaking. So I ordered a new one, but I took the old one off. I mean, in pieces, and it was just an orangish, yellowish, beige Arizona dust inside there. So I'll blow that out with this and vacuum it out and everything and get it clean before putting a new, because I ordered another grill, which was fairly cheap actually. I think it was $14 or $15. But to keep things from falling in there, because this was my second grill, and the first grill broke, and so I ordered this grill, the grill that's in there, or that I just took out, used. And the reason I bought one, they didn't have them new, but because things were falling in there, and when you turn on your defroster, you hear brrrr from whatever was in there. So you need the grill on there to keep crap out of it. If that makes any sense. And so anyway, I'll use this to blow that dust out and everything. And because, I mean, this is going to fit. Even this is going to fit down in there perfect. But I can use this and stick down in there, or either any of these nozzles I can stick down in there. And it comes with your handy bag, and it has a year's warranty. And I can see why people are raving about this, because there are other ones on the market that are bigger. And if you guys, don't worry, I'll leave a link to this. If you guys were talking about, one guy says, well, you would think bigger is better, and one of the guys said he was an engineer, and he says, no, that's not exactly true, because you can have a huge, I mean really big, I guess you would call it cowling or whatever, and it might have a big fan in there, but the power of the fan is nothing. So you're not getting any pressure. And when I saw 75 miles per hour, I said, I'm going to have to try it out, because I do have a 30-day Amazon warranty, and it has a year's warranty. So like I say, I just saw it kick on. It's got some pressure. So with a year's warranty, it would be worth it, because as much air as I use right now, it will pay for itself easily in heck, no time, because air goes out, you know. I can tell you now. Air gives you 12 ounces. Okay? So 12 ounces lasts no time. I mean, poof, it's gone. And the thing I don't like about canned air already is that when you're spraying, like I was spraying inside of my computer, to get all the dust out, your canned air would only go so much and then go and just like stop, and you got to wait for it to cool off and all that. Whereas this, like people were talking about, there's no fluorocarbons and all that stuff, and you know, you don't have to wait for it to cool off and stuff, and it'll just keep working. And as long as you're pushing down, it's going to blow. And you got two settings on here. You got this one, which is lower setting. You can hear it. And then the higher settings. And I'll tell you what. Look at my plant. It's clear across the room. Okay, you ready? This is on the lower setting. See it moving a little bit, right? See that moving? Now it's on the high setting. Like a hurricane over there. And it's got rubber, got a rubber bottom, so you can set it down on things without see, without it scratching things like on the table and so forth. And here I am talking about it, I'm excited about it, and it's rare that I get excited about things like almost anything. But this, I can tell already, it's going to be a good one. So I hope this helps someone out, and you know, like I'll leave the link and you can read all the reviews and everything, and read all the questions down at the bottom, and you can see where one guy talks about how the different sizes and the fans are and so forth, and how much pressure, and it's literally 75 miles per hour, and I believe it. So I hope this helps someone out, and y'all you know, you're not putting any pollutants in the air, because it's just sucking in the air around it. And so anyway, it's getting warm out here. Now you know what that means. If you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming. And if you can't do that, snuggle up and y'all stay safe. And we will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.